What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I am actually really zoomed in. All right, I'm actually just doing this boot lid changeover, and I thought this little section that I'm doing is going to be a valuable video on its own. So essentially it's rebuilding the boot lid lights, so the tail lights that are on the boot lid. I noticed on almost every single one, every single coupe I can see, they're damaged. They're damaged, people want to replace them, or they're unsealed, you know, like the lens comes off. Now, the side of my boot lid that got hit. Do you want to get involved with this one, Storm? You want to tell them how to do it? No? Okay. The side that got hit looks like it was enough kind of reverberation, let's call it, to knock the lens clear, and they put some sticky tape on to hold it on. Now when I pull the other side out, it looks like it's about to fall apart. So I'm going to show you guys, if my taillights don't get broken by my dogs, how to fix them. Let's jump into it. So first you're gonna have to pull your tail lights out to start this job. Now you're gonna have this little cover on. You've got to pull that down and pop it out. That's your lights. Pretend this is in the car, all right? You come through with your 10 mil. You take this nut off. And then you're gonna wanna take the retainer out, and then it kind of clips that way and then sideways. You can see there's some clips down here. I hope mine aren't broken. That may be the issue, I don't know. I'll fix it, don't worry. So we want to pry it out that way and then slide it out. I need two hands to do it. So as you can see, that was the issue. It's just the lens popped off, that's all it is. And instead of going through and sticking the lens on, they've just chucked heaps of tape on it. So don't do that, just fix it. All right, now I've only got black sealant, so I'm gonna have a dirty black line around the outside, but I don't care because I am going to come through and I'm gonna redo I'm gonna replace these anyway. So let's go through and reseal these lights as one piece. Give it a clean first, get through here, give it a bit of a clean, and then run your bead around the edge and stick it back together. All right, let's do that. Okay, now I'm fingers crossed that this sealant hasn't gone off. It probably has, knowing what this stuff's like. It goes off really quickly, even though I put a screw in the end. Come on, don't do me like that. Oh, it didn't go off. This is so good for YouTube because everything works on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna run a bead around this, stick it to that one, and then the same on the other one before this goes off. You never play. I know that you work every trial, feel good if I stay and be patient. So that's pretty much it. You're gonna let them set. I'll tint these, but you'll see them tinted actually in another video. But that's pretty much it. That's gonna be your issue. It's just the lens not sealing to the front of the actual housing. So you can use gray. They use gray from factory, so use gray and it will come up really nice. But guys, there's a quick and easy how to fix your boot lid tail lights, because it's probably just, if yours are broken, it's that. I can guarantee it, unless someone smashed it. So unless you want to go and spend the money, buy new ones, if you buy second-hand ones, you're probably going to have the same issue in 6 months. But if you're going to buy the LEDs, then I'm jealous because they look sick. So, but they're like 450 bucks, whereas that sealant's like 10 bucks. So you can go through and fix yours. I am gonna tint those just to make them look a little bit better, hide that black, just until I go and get the LED ones, and obviously I'll tint my other one, the actual main brake lights and reverse lights and indicators. That whole housing, I'll do that as well so it matches. Now it's only a light tint. I wouldn't recommend the tinting because illegal, blah, 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 blah. But I'm gonna do it because it's gonna hide the black goop. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, help this channel grow. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.